Hi everyone, Nick with Motoloader, and in this video I'm going to do a deep dive on the kits that we offer on our website, the build kits. So first I'm going to talk about the starter kit. If you'd like to build a similar loading mechanism but don't need all the features and accessories of the Motoloader, the starter kit is a great option for you. So you basically get the core components of our patented system, including the frame receiver and platform adapter, and the leading edge V-groove wheels and engineered mounts. Now, if you want to build a motoloader or a system that has all the features of our motoloader system, and you want to save a lot of time on fabrication, this complete build kit is a great option for you. So with this complete build kit, all you need in addition to the kit is some steel tubing, a winch with a 1/4 inch or smaller synthetic rope, and some off-the-shelf V-groove wheels. So I'm going to make a quick side note to mention the build plans on our website. So we have our complete build plans, and those include a cut list calculator for the steel tubing. So you just enter the dimensions of the loader that you want to build, and if you want an extension or not, and which accessories you want. And it will output basically a full material and cut list for your steel tubing. So it really simplifies the build process and build planning process. All right, back to the complete build kit here. So in addition to the parts in the starter kit, you get our safety latch system, including the vertical and horizontal safety latches. And you also get our platform alignment plates, the hitch reinforcement system, and the signature red loading wheels. So I'm going to do a deep dive on each of these components. So let's start with the safety latch system here. Maybe I'll go this way. So this system includes both the horizontal and vertical safety latches, and I'll describe exactly why in a minute. So the horizontal latch, it's this system here, is designed to prevent any horizontal movement on the platform once it's loaded. So it includes that 2.5 inch length of steel rod, and you install that on the platform so that it engages with this latch when it's loaded. And it also has that little micro switch that you can wire into your winch remote to auto stop the winch when the platform is fully loaded. The vertical latches, they install on each side of the platform, and they prevent the platform from lifting vertically off the frame during transport. The hinge that you see there, it's welded onto the frame. The L bracket is then welded to the hinge, and that plunge pin body is welded to the L bracket in the hole that is cut specifically for it. And we also include these pin plates for the plunge pin basically engages with those pin plates on the platform. So this whole system, the horizontal and vertical latch system, is designed to be super strong and redundant in case of failures or potential user error, forgetting to put the latch on or something like that. So there are two vertical latches for redundancy on the vertical axis in case one of the vertical latches is not secured or if it fails. And the vertical latches can also prevent horizontal movement, and so there's redundancy on the horizontal axis as well. And the horizontal axis is obviously the most critical one. You don't want the platform kind of sliding off the back of the truck if you're hauling it around with the tailgate down. So you have excessive redundancy on the horizontal axis with the two vertical pins having horizontal safety or providing more horizontal safety as well. So now moving on to the guide plates. These are two pairs of plates that are welded to the base frame, and they help align the platform with the base during loading. So as the platform gets pulled into the frame, there is a tendency for it to wag slightly from, to one side or the other, such that when it comes down onto the base, it's not perfectly aligned with the base and the wheels. So these plates help guide the platform into alignment just before it touches down on the frame's V-groove wheels. And then these brackets, they're not welded. They're shipped loose, but they should be welded in the middle of the plate, and that just helps to maintain that angle of the plate and keep it from bending. And then we've got our hitch reinforcement bracket. This system is designed to work with 2-inch square tube, and it engages with the lip of our receiver right here. So if you see there's a slight cut here, that's where this system engages with it to provide more support and transfer the load down to the hitch. And we also include this decorative end plate, which covers the horizontal 2-inch square tube if it's cut at a 45-degree angle, and that just gives more of a finished look to the system. And then lastly, we've got our wheels, which are spec'd with the 6203 bearing, and it works with a 12 millimeter or 15/32 inch bolt or rod, however you decide to install these with the tube. So that's a quick overview and deep dive of our complete build kit and our starter kit. You can find both of these on our website,